All right, friends. So now we put it all together, and there's going to be the addition of this, and don't let it mess you up. It's a half step. That's all it is. When we make that little half step, we just step and kind of transition our weight. You'll see how this goes. And this is going to be a drill. I want you to do this one regularly. You might want to do this for the next 2 or 3 days just to get the feel for it. We'll start with just the footwork, and then we'll transition into the hands as well. So the footwork for the entire beginning part of this form is we're in the right foot, we step forward with the left, make sure you've got the space, forward, back and rock step, forward, back and rock step, forward, and follow. And that follow is that little transitional step. Then you rock, now this foot is light, forward, excuse me, forward, rock step, forward, rock step, forward, half step. From here, shift your weight back, step back with the left, transition the weight, step back with the right, transition the weight, step back with the left, step back with the right. And then you're ready to do it all over again. Get really comfortable with this. And it's not as bad as it seems. I'll do it quickly. We're just going forward rock step, forward rock step, forward half step, forward rock step, forward rock step, forward half step, rock back, 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 back. So if you just remember those words, forward rock step, forward rock step, forward half step, forward rock step, forward rock step, forward half step, back, 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 back. You've got it. Let's do it one more time. Forward, rock step, forward, rock step, forward, half step, forward, rock step, forward, rock step, forward, half step. Shift your weight, step back, 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 and back. Good. Get that footwork down. Make it nice and comfortable before you start putting the hands in. All right, I seem to keep doing this at dusk. We have enough time for one more video, and that's this, the entire first stepping pattern, and you'll have gone a really far way into this form. So we're going to start off with our feet together, step out, rise, fall, hold the ball. Step back and left, forward, frisbee, rock step, forward, frisbee, rock step, forward, frisbee, half step, step back. I'm going to call this one pie in the face. Throw your pie, back, step, pie, rock step, step, pie, rock step, step, pie, half step, rock back, right hand repulses the monkey while the left hand moves back, left hand repulses the monkey while the right foot moves back, right hand, left foot, left hand, right foot. And you can just do this one indefinitely until it feels comfortable. So we're back here, frisbee, rock, frisbee, rock. Notice, frisbee, that the right foot always does the half step. Half step. I like to think of this as a little fake one. It's a cool move where we just come around and throw, come around, step, and throw. Rock, throw, rock, throw, half step. We're back, right hand, left foot, left hand, right foot, right hand, left foot, left hand, right foot. And we come back and hold the ball. Now, my recommendation is to go through, if that's confusing, figure out which piece isn't working out. If it's that you're stepping and you're not moving forward, do that over and over and over again until it just becomes second nature. If the rock step is going the wrong way or something, just do that over and over and over, because this stuff comes from a feeling. When you get that feel of, it all becomes one movement, and all of a sudden, we don't have that much. We've got 2 steps and 3 things that we're doing. Frisbee, pie, monkey, and basically the same step, either forward or backward. At this last point, all you should be worried about is that you make the half step with your right foot. And with all the repetition and everything, you just do a little bit every single day, and you will get this one, and you'll feel it, and you'll be able to flow through a good 45 seconds of an awesome Tai Chi form, no time flat. We'll check you after.